Hey, how's it going, friends? As you can probably see, I'm in a different studio. This is a temporary setup for me. Today I just wanted to show you this really cool virtual tour system that iStaging sent me. And this is a sponsored video in that they sent me the gear for free and wanted me to look it over. And there's a special surprise partway through this next narrated part. So check this out. iStaging, the maker of specialized virtual tour software and hardware, wanted me to try out their phone-based system that includes a motorized Bluetooth rotator and a clip-on 720 lens. This is a really cool system, and it can be used for real estate, hotels, businesses, even outdoors, pretty much anything you can think of that you want a 360-degree tour. iStaging has several subscription levels that you can check out at iStaging.com, and I have my special link in the description of this video, so you can click on that. If you're interested in the Ultra or Ultimate plan through iStaging, they've offered my viewers a 10% discount with this code, and it will also be in the description of this video. So let's check out this really cool gear. Thanks for checking this video out. Please subscribe and tell your friends. Create, share, repeat, and keep it awesome. See you next time.